This is the Full Spectrum Camera from ModiTronic at www.moditronic.com. And I'm pointing to the ceiling right now, which has my two overhead desk lights. And it's pretty well lit in here. But as you see, there's nothing really emitting anything in the infrared or ultraviolet spectrum. A few things on the desk, a couple LEDs, sensors for some remote controls I use. I'm pointing towards my wife, who's very camera shy, but she's feeling rather comfortable right now, knowing that she cannot be seen on the camera. She's actually going 2 thumbs up. But we'll get a little closer to her and take a look at her cell phone. You can kind of see it because the screen's lit pretty bright, but yet it's not emitting infrared or ultraviolet. Turn it around. And again, you can see very little of it. Now, if I was to point this into my bedroom, because it's daylight, look at that. You can see all sorts of stuff. And everything within those spectrums seems to be shining just perfectly. So we're going to attempt to use this on some paranormal investigations and see what we can come up with. Again, this is the Full Spectrum Camera from ModiTronic.com, and they're reasonably priced. And get this, they are under $200. You heard me right, under $200. And this is full HD, and the quality of these cameras unconverted is very obscene. So if you get something using the ultra fine setting as well on this camera, you're definitely going to be able to really analyze the footage without worrying about pixelization, without worrying about digital artifacts. And also the nice plus about this is it does record audio, obviously, and you'll be able to possibly capture EVPs. Look, there's my cat going across the floor, but you can't see her. No, you can't. So, yep, there you go. This is the Full Spectrum Camera from ModiTronic. Say hi, Shelly.
Hi, Shelly.